So we're back. Happy Friday. Place got packed a little. I got tucked away. There's just too many cars now, and there's more coming on the way, I hear. So by invitation only, and thank you for inviting me. This is the organizer right here with the hat, George. Nice old guy. There's his Dodge Darts. The music is right there. I'm doing this video before the music starts.
That one there is limited. Both of them are kind of limited. He has to run.
Those guys don't like me. Long story. They have every right to hate me. Every right. And I in all my years of being in business, my whole life, I screwed up on them. I took a bigger job, and I should have took them first. They were first, and I took the bigger job, and I put them on the back burner, and it didn't work out. My mistake. So here we are. Morning car show. It's foodie. We got all the stores are open. It's a really neat little deal they do every year. Kind of kick off autumn. So we call it the Autumn Car Show. Okay. Got all the entertainment going on. Christmas parade. No more parades. Oh, look at all the stuff here. Antique Village Collect. Wow. We might have to go in here. We need to go in here. Need to go in here. Oh, jerry cans. Ooh. Price tag on those. $3. Is that what that says? No, 25 bucks. Wow. Wow. Let's check this out. That's nice. Hello. Might as well heat you up before the music starts. You guys go right across the street from it too.
Yeah.
You know, I love music, but can you turn it down a little? Did you hear it earlier?
Oh, it is a concert.
I know. I got my 90-year-old father here, and his ears are getting blown out. I remember the days that he was the one telling me, turn that down. And for good reason, too.
You guys looking for anything in particular?
My parents used to tell me that. So I used to live in the jungle and
Oh, yeah.
AC/DC.
Yeah, Deep Purple, and...
Yeah, that's what I listened to in high school. Yeah, I was a hard rocker.
Yeah, I was kind of into everything. Beach Boys, you name it. Led Zeppelin. And that's when Led Zeppelin was way out there. Now, God, they have a play, Led Zeppelin play. Wow, there's some cool stuff. I have a bunch of oil cans at home. Little bugs. Wow.
I recognize him.
What is that? What is that? What is that? Sounds cool. What is that?
Where did you go?
Big wrench. Oh. Get here before the music starts. Oh, guitar. What do we have here? I don't know. Like Chinese, Japanese. How much you want? 402. It's been beat. Okay, we got music. Those are cool. Those are just absolutely cool. Ooh. My aunt had one of these. Oh, this is a cool room. There's a lot to take in here. Look at all those tools, saws. Wow. People understand stuff is cool. Clamps, clamps, Chinese, hinges, hammers, casters, those are cool. Locks, look at all these locks. I think of all this stuff, I think of you, David, and your collections. My friend David has a collection of most figures on a motorcycles, figurines on a motorcycle, and he's in the Guinness Book of World Records. Alabama. Yeah, he's in a Guinness book. He won't let me, Gordon Mike, but he won't let me, squirrel. He won't let me do a video of his place because he wants to set it up. He's got a neat place though. Inside is just loaded with just some great stuff. He needs to share with the world. So I love this neat stuff. The great room. Look at these albums. Good. Albums. Oh, Barbara Streisand. $10. Mac Davis. Oh my gosh. What's where you going? Pitchfork. Christopher Maya threw a pitchfork and one of these like this landed on my leg of my brother's leg in our backyard. My aunt had one of these, and I'm wishing I had one of these now. Those look great on the back. That would feel so good on my back. I love all this stuff hanging. I thought I was starting to hang the stuff I have. My whole house would look like this house. Wow. Back to the music. Once I figure out how to edit, eclectic. I'm not eclectic. I don't remember. Did I? Yeah, I did go in here, but I didn't notice that. Don't tell me they're full of stuff. No, we had those. Gosh. Lights are good. Gas station lights right there. Popsicle? Ooh. Molly, you said 93, and it's been through the war, 475. Look good over my bed, but I need no more junk. Airplane is good, 265. Yeah. Stuff. Good stuff. Great stuff.